Just lost it. Stay with us here on the Weather Channel, tracking Hurricane Helene.
You know the most exciting thing about life?
A hurricane warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 79 degrees. Thunderstorms. For today, windy with periods of rain. High 80. Winds southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with rain. Heavy at times. Low 76. West-southwest winds over 100 miles per hour. On Friday, fair and windy. High 84. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Kinds of debris, all kinds of wood in there. I don't even know what that thing is right there, but we got some decking. If you look down 2nd Street, there's a deck and railing that's floated into the middle of the street. So the water came from left to right on your screen. So it came from the south. It also came from the east. And the winds have been so intense that debris is flying everywhere at this point. And so we have to take cover behind this really sturdy cinder block church, where parts of the roof of the church have actually been compromised. There's lightning in the sky.